Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see data cleaning methods in Power BI. Here is a list of data cleaning tasks which we are going to perform in Power BI. First is remove column. Again, in remove column, we will see the three cases. In first case, we will see how to remove the single column. Next case will be how to remove multiple columns and remove other columns, means we have to remove other columns than selected column. Next will be renaming the column, means we can change the name of column. Again, removing duplicate rows, so we are going to remove here redundant data. And next tasks are merge columns and split the columns. Merge means we are going to concatenate two columns. And again, next task will be split, how to split the columns. Again, replacing null values. Again, changing the data type so that we can change the data type of column also. And next will be sorting the data in ascending or descending order. And the last task will be applying filters. So let's start with video. So first we'll open the Power BI tool. In search box, type Power BI desktop. Just open this. Friends, if you have not installed Power BI tool on your machine, please check the description box. I have given link in description box for how to install Power BI on Windows operating system. Now here you have to select the blank report. Now see, here for example we will import one XLS file and we will perform data cleaning task on that file. To import file into this Power BI, what we will do, here you have to select get option. Then I am going to use XLS file, so I will select cell work. And here already I have created one file having extension as a .xls, that is a student.xls. You can create your own file also. I want to load this sheet 1 from this XLS file. So just I will select this and I will click on load option. If you want to see this file in table view, so just select the sheet and select the view, that is a table view, so that you will be able to see the file. Now we want to perform data cleaning operations on this file. So for that purpose, just open the home tab and select here transform data, because we want to perform the operations, transformation operations. So once you click on the transform data, here your file will get opened in Power Query Editor. Okay. Once you open this file in Power Query Editor, you can perform the data cleaning operations. Now we will perform the first task, that is removing the column. So while removing column, first possibility is remove single column. So suppose I have selected this column as a student name. Okay, you have to select this column and simply right click on this and select the option remove. Now see, here this Power BI tool is providing facility that you can undo the operations also. So I have removed column. So if I want to undo, again I will click here, undo the removed columns. So again this column will come here. Okay. If I want to remove two columns, simply control and select the columns. And here you will get option remove columns. Select on remove columns. Now columns are deleted. Now it saves history here, whatever operations you are doing. Suppose I want to remove this student name also. So I will select this column and again right click and remove. Now see the sequence in which I am removing column, it is showing the sequence here. So if I click here, so it will undo the changes. So in this way, we can remove the column. Now suppose I have 25, total 25 columns and I need only 5 columns. Means I need, I want to delete 20 columns and just I want to keep the 5 columns. So instead of selecting columns by using control and selecting this column, it becomes time consuming task. So what will be the better option? Just select the required column and suppose I want to keep roll number and student name only and I want to remove other columns. So what I will do, I will select these columns and again here you will get option remove columns. Just select this. From this select remove other columns. Remove other columns means what? We'll keep the selected columns as it is and whatever unselected columns are there, it will remove that unselected columns. Just click here. So here other columns are deleted or removed. So again I want to undo the transaction. So I will click here. So again my columns will come here. Next task is rename the column. Now suppose here I have given the percentage as a name of column and I want to give name of the column as a percentage underscore marks. So what I will do? Percentage underscore marks and just hit. Now this name is changed. In this way we can change the name of column. Now next task is removing duplicate rows. Now friends, if you observe here up to roll number 20, everything is different, no data is duplicated. For our understanding purpose, I have kept some duplicate rows here. Here what I have done, roll numbers are repeated, but names are different. If I select roll number here, in such a case, what it will do, the values which are repeated, in case of roll numbers, it will delete that rows. Means these values 167, all these are repeated values, so it should delete these values. So I will select this column, again right click and select the option remove duplicates. Now see it has kept roll numbers from 1 to 20 and rest of the rows has been deleted. So which column you are selecting, within that column only it will check which values are repeated and according to that it will delete that row. Okay. Now the next task is merge columns. So merge columns. Suppose I want to merge this roll number and name of the student. So I will select both the columns. Just select the required columns which you want to merge and single right click and just select the option merge columns. Now while merging columns, we can use the separators also. So here you can give a colon, you can give comma, equal to symbol, semicolon, space, tab, or you can custom as per your choice also. Suppose I want to use underscore. So I will decide this underscore icon and name of the column will be merge student data. And just click on OK. Now see here it has created merge student data, roll number and its name is given here. Okay, and you can observe here the separate that roll number column and uh, name of the student is deleted and directly merged column is created. But if I want to split this column, again I have to select this column which I want to separate or split. Again single right click and select the option split column. But I want to split it by using the delimiter. And what delimiter I have used? Underscore. So I will use here custom underscore and at each occurrence of the delimiter. Just click on OK button. OK button. Now see here the roll number and names are separated, and also the name of the splitted columns becomes student data merged student data 1 and merged student data 2. Means now these columns are separated. So next task is replacing null value. So here I have kept some values as a null so that we can perform the task removing the null value. Here I will select the column percentage marks. Just single right click. Just select the columns. Again in transform tab, select the replace values. And here instead of null, I want to give value as 0. Just select OK. And here instead of null, 0 is placed here. Again for this grades also, here I have kept null. So here instead of null, again I will select this column and replace values. So instead of null, I can keep here F and just click on OK button. So it will null will get replaced by. Now next task is changing data type. So if you observe here for every column, here initially some value is given. Here it is given as a 1, 2, 3. Means this column contains the integer data. Again here for merged student data set 2, letters are given A, B, C. Means this column contains text value. Again here percentage marks. Here percentage marks. I want to make its a data type as a whole number. So I will convert this percentage marks into whole numbers. In this way, you can change your data types. Now friends, make sure that if you are selecting your data type as a whole numbers, don't pass the text values within that column. Again, whatever operations you are doing here, it is keeping record or history of your operations. And if you want to undo, do the then you can undo the operations sequentially. Means first you have to undo the last operation, then second last, and so on. Directly you cannot do, you cannot undo the in between operation. Means here replace value 1, change data type 2, like this sequence is there. Directly you cannot go towards this value, replaced value. Otherwise it will create the some discrepancies in your data set. Again, the next operation is data sorting. So here you can sort the data as per your requirement. Here, suppose I want to use the descending order. So just select this column, just click on this triangular icon and sort descending. So it will sort according to this column values. Similarly, you can use the ascending also. Just select this and select this and just sort ascending. so that your data will get arranged in ascending order. Now, now next operation is applying filters. Suppose I want to select the students which are having A grade. So what I will do again, I will select this column, again this triangular icon and text filters. Again, as per your requirement, select the option. I want equals, so I will select the equals. And here keep rows where grades equals and I want A grade. Suppose I want to select the student having grade A, so I will select basic grades equals capital A, or B. So I will select or options equal capital B. Yes, click OK. So it will keep only the list of students which is having grades as A, either A or B. Okay. So after performing your all the operations, you have to select the home tab and select this option, apply and close. To save the changes, you can select option as a. So in this way, you can perform data cleaning tasks by using Power BI. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.